When it comes to creating a healthy living environment, the air quality inside your home is just as important as the cleanliness of your floors or the quality of your furniture. In fact, indoor air quality, IAQ, plays a crucial role in your family's health and comfort. One often overlooked but highly effective way to enhance indoor air quality is by upgrading your windows. Windows of Austin offers high-performance, energy-efficient windows that can significantly improve your home's indoor environment, making it a healthier, more comfortable space to live in. In this article, we'll explore how Windows of Austin can help boost your home's indoor air quality, reduce allergens, improve ventilation, and create a more comfortable living space. Reducing drafts and preventing air leaks. Inefficient windows are one of the biggest culprits behind poor indoor air quality. Gaps, cracks, and drafts allow outdoor air, often filled with allergens, dust, and pollutants, to seep into your home. This can lead to a variety of indoor air issues, from uncomfortable drafts to higher levels of dust and mold growth. Sealed windows. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows from Windows of Austin ensures that your windows are properly sealed. With better sealing, your home will stay protected from drafts and external pollutants, preventing unwanted air infiltration. As a result, the indoor air will remain cleaner and more comfortable. No more energy loss. Properly sealed windows also prevent your air conditioning or heating systems from working harder than they need to, reducing the likelihood of stale, recycled air being circulated in your home. This helps maintain a consistent, healthy airflow inside your living spaces. By replacing your old windows with high-quality, energy-efficient ones, Windows of Austin helps reduce air leakage and improve the overall air quality inside your home. Improved ventilation and fresh air circulation. Ventilation is a key factor in maintaining good indoor air quality. Without proper airflow, harmful indoor pollutants, such as volatile organic compounds, VOCs, from household products or smoke, can build up, leading to poor air quality. Windows of Austin can improve your home's ventilation and ensure fresh air circulates throughout your space. Easier ventilation. Modern windows come with more convenient opening and closing mechanisms that make it easy to bring fresh outdoor air into your home. Double-hung windows, casement windows, and sliding windows allow for better airflow compared to older models, which might be difficult to open or have worn-out mechanisms. Cross-ventilation. Installing windows in the right spots can help create cross-ventilation, a process that allows fresh air to flow through your home while pushing stale air outside. This natural airflow helps reduce the concentration of indoor pollutants and moisture, promoting a healthier indoor environment. By upgrading to high-quality windows from Windows of Austin, you can ensure that your home remains properly ventilated, allowing fresh air to circulate and improving your home's air quality. Reducing condensation and mold growth. Excess moisture in the air can lead to condensation on your windows, which can eventually cause mold and mildew to develop. These allergens can trigger respiratory issues and other health problems, particularly for individuals with allergies or asthma. Windows of Austin offers windows that can help reduce moisture buildup, keeping your home's indoor air cleaner and healthier. Energy-efficient windows. Double-glazed windows with low E coatings help maintain the temperature inside your home, preventing condensation from forming on the window panes. The insulating glass helps keep the interior surface of the window warm, reducing the likelihood of moisture buildup. Humidity control. By installing new windows that offer better insulation and moisture control, you can minimize the conditions that lead to mold and mildew growth. This helps prevent the spread of allergens in your home, creating a healthier living environment for your family. With Windows of Austin, you can enjoy a mold-free, healthier home by reducing condensation and moisture buildup that could otherwise harm your indoor air quality. Blocking outdoor pollutants and allergens. In many areas, outdoor air can be filled with allergens, dust, pollen, and pollutants that make their way indoors. Windows that are poorly sealed or old can allow these harmful particles to enter your home, leading to respiratory issues or exacerbating allergies. Windows of Austin offers a solution to this problem with high-performance windows that block outdoor contaminants. Better seals. Windows of Austin features windows with superior weather stripping and sealants, preventing dust, dirt, and outdoor allergens from getting inside your home. This is particularly helpful in areas of Austin where pollen counts are high or where air pollution from traffic is a concern. Soundproofing. Some of the advanced window options from Windows of Austin also come with noise reduction features. This not only helps block outdoor noise but also keeps harmful particles and allergens from entering your home. This dual benefit enhances your home's air quality and overall comfort. By installing high-performance windows, Windows of Austin helps block outdoor pollutants and allergens from entering your home, keeping your indoor air cleaner and healthier. Energy efficiency and healthier air energy-efficient windows not only help you save on utility bills, but they can also improve indoor air quality by reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. When your HVAC system runs constantly to combat temperature imbalances due to old, inefficient windows, the indoor air quality can suffer from dust, bacteria, and pollutants being circulated through the system. Energy-efficient glass. Windows of Austin offers low-E glass windows, which reflect heat from the sun in the summer and keep heat inside during the winter. This keeps your home's indoor air at a comfortable temperature without overworking your heating or cooling system. Cleaner air circulation. With improved energy efficiency, your air conditioning and heating system won't need to work as hard, meaning that the air being circulated throughout your home is less likely to contain dust, allergens, or other pollutants. This results in cleaner, healthier air for your family. Conclusion. Upgrading to new windows from Windows of Austin can greatly enhance your home's indoor air quality. From reducing drafts and preventing leaks to improving ventilation and reducing mold growth, the benefits are clear. With energy-efficient features and the ability to block outdoor pollutants, new windows help create a healthier, more comfortable environment for you and your family. Whether you're concerned about reducing allergens, improving ventilation, or just want a more comfortable living space, Windows of Austin offers the perfect solution to improve your home's air quality and overall comfort.